Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I thought I would make a video. It's really late, it's like 10 o'clock at night, but I just thought I would make a short video because I haven't made a video in a long time, so let's get started. So what I'm going to be making today is an apple pen. Well, like, not an apple pen, but like, beep, 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 beep. It works as an apple pen. So, what you're going to need is water, a Q-tip, and tinfoil, and a pen, of course. So, I'm going to take mine apart so you can see. So you take the inside out of a pen, right? Then you're going to take a Q-tip, and if it doesn't fit, then you can cut it, but mine fits, so I'm just going to squish mine in like that. And then you're going to take your tinfoil and wrap it around the Q-tip just like that, and then you're gonna get it wet, and then once you have it wet, it should work. And I'm gonna screen record really quick so I can show you that it works. And you have to make sure you're holding it like this, so I'm gonna screen record really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna prove to you that it works, so I'm just going to go to a random drawing app, and it'll make your screen a little wet, but it shouldn't really matter. And I'm going to draw something randomly. And as you can see, it works, and I'm not using my finger, and I'm not taking credit for this. I saw a girl doing this, so please don't think I'm taking credit for this. It's not my idea, and it was not that, and I have no idea who actually made it up. But yeah, I'm not taking credit for it. So yeah, and as you can see, like that, it was not just working for a second because I actually didn't have my hand on the tinfoil part, so it wasn't working. You have to have your hand on the tinfoil part. So I'm gonna stop screen recording so I can finish the video. Well, I can actually just finish the video right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you want to see more content. And I don't post that much, but I have a lot of school, so yeah, I'll try to post more. Bye. Love y'all.